Imagine waking up tomorrow to find the internet almost gone. Banks freeze, flights stop, and billions lose connection, all because of something hidden deep beneath the ocean. Most people think satellites carry the world's internet. In reality, almost everything you do online travels through cables lying silently beneath the sea. More than 99% of international internet traffic moves through hair-thin glass fibers resting on the darkest ocean floor. At the center of every submarine cable are optical fibers thinner than a human hair. These tiny strands of ultra-pure glass carry the digital heartbeat of our modern world. Unlike traditional electrical wires, these fibers transmit information using flashes of laser light, moving enormous amounts of data across entire oceans in milliseconds. Every few dozen kilometers, underwater repeaters quietly amplify these light signals, allowing information to travel across entire oceans without losing strength. Most of these cables spend decades resting on the abyssal plain, an immense underwater desert where sunlight has never reached and only a handful of humans have ever explored. Here, the pressure is more than 500 times greater than at sea level, strong enough to crush an ordinary submarine in moments. No sunlight reaches these depths. Life survives through remarkable adaptations, sharing the seafloor with one of humanity's most important inventions. This silent landscape may appear perfectly still, but beneath the surface, powerful geological forces can reshape the ocean floor in an instant. The deep ocean may look perfectly calm, but hidden beneath the seafloor, enormous tectonic forces are constantly reshaping our planet. When these tectonic plates suddenly shift, the resulting earthquakes can send powerful shockwaves racing through the ocean floor. But earthquakes are only the beginning. Sometimes they trigger underwater avalanches capable of traveling for hundreds of kilometers. Moving at highway speeds, these underwater avalanches can bury, stretch, or even snap critical communication cables within seconds. Even when a cable isn't cut, enormous forces can stretch protective layers, expose vulnerable sections, and weaken the network over time. To reduce these risks, engineers spend years studying the seafloor before choosing the safest possible route for every new cable. Not every part of the ocean is suitable for a cable. Engineers avoid underwater volcanoes, unstable slopes, active fault zones, and environmentally sensitive habitats before installation even begins. Once every survey is complete, specialized cable-laying ships begin one of the longest and most precise engineering operations ever attempted at sea. Far from shore, the cable simply rests on the deep seabed. But near coastlines, it must be buried to protect it from constant human activity. Ironically, the deepest parts of the ocean are often the safest. Most cable damage happens much closer to shore, where ships and fishing gear cross these hidden lifelines every day. Most cable failures aren't caused by the deep ocean itself. They happen in busy coastal waters, where a single mistake can interrupt digital connections across entire regions. Although these systems are designed with backup routes, a damaged cable can still reduce capacity, increase delays, and disrupt communications until repairs are completed. Once a fault is detected, specialized repair teams begin a race against time to locate the damaged section, often hundreds of kilometers from the nearest port. The damaged cable isn't visible from the surface. Crews rely on precise fault calculations, navigation systems, and specialized grapnels to recover it from thousands of meters below. Lifting even a small section of cable from extreme depths can take hours, demanding perfect coordination between the ship, its crew, and constantly changing sea conditions. Inside a controlled laboratory, technicians carefully strip away each protective layer before aligning microscopic glass fibers with extraordinary precision to restore the connection. With the repair complete, the cable must be carefully returned to the seabed. Every meter is lowered under constant tension to protect the newly restored optical fibers. Within moments of successful testing, data begins flowing once again. Millions of messages, financial transactions, and video calls continue without most people ever knowing a repair took place. These underwater cables carry far more than social media. They support hospitals, emergency services, scientific research, international business, and the global financial system every second of every day. Hidden beneath thousands of meters of water lies one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements, a silent network that keeps our connected world alive. If these cables carry the world's internet, one question naturally follows: who actually owns them? No single country controls this network. Instead, hundreds of companies work together to build, own, and operate these global digital highways. Every second, enormous volumes of information flow through these networks, connecting people, businesses, research institutions, and digital services across continents. A single online payment can cross oceans in fractions of a second, traveling through multiple landing stations and fiber routes before reaching its destination. Streaming, cloud computing, online gaming, scientific collaboration, and global communication all rely on these same hidden pathways. Every click, search, and stream begins somewhere you never see. Most people never realize their online world begins beneath the ocean, where submarine cables quietly carry enormous volumes of international data every second. The internet constantly adapts, even when something goes wrong. Behind every connection, intelligent routing systems continuously select efficient paths, allowing traffic to move through alternate routes when needed. One cable isn't the whole internet. Modern global networks are designed with multiple independent cable systems, helping maintain connectivity when individual routes require maintenance or experience disruption. Someone is always watching over the network. Network operators, engineers, and marine specialists continuously monitor these critical systems, helping detect issues quickly and coordinate maintenance when needed. The world's digital future rests on a hidden network beneath the sea. Far below the waves, thousands of kilometers of fiber optic cable quietly support international communication, commerce, research, and collaboration every hour of every day. When a submarine cable is damaged, the internet doesn't simply stop. Instead, intelligent routing systems automatically search for the fastest available path, often within seconds. Every second, networking equipment makes millions of routing decisions, directing information toward available connections while balancing speed, capacity, and reliability. Every continent is connected through overlapping submarine cable systems, creating a resilient network that allows information to travel across the globe in countless different ways. Ironically, the greatest natural risks are often found near the shoreline, where submarine cables leave the deep ocean and connect to the world's communication networks. Engineers reduce risk by selecting stable landing sites, reinforcing coastal infrastructure, and designing networks with multiple independent routes. Because these networks connect entire continents, protecting them requires cooperation between engineers, governments, scientists, and international operators around the world. Every year, the world exchanges more information than ever before. Streaming, cloud computing, scientific research, and artificial intelligence are driving an unprecedented demand for faster international connections. New submarine cable systems continue to connect more regions, increasing capacity and providing additional pathways that strengthen the resilience of the global network. Although they remain out of sight, thousands of engineers, scientists, mariners, and technicians work continuously to maintain this extraordinary global infrastructure. Despite spanning every ocean, this immense system functions as one interconnected network, quietly supporting billions of people every single day. As global demand continues to grow, engineers are designing new submarine cables with greater capacity, improved resilience, and decades of operational life. Future cable routes will connect emerging regions, strengthen existing networks, and provide additional pathways that improve resilience across the global internet. For most of us, these cables remain invisible. Yet every search, message, video call, and international collaboration depends on their silent reliability. Long after a cable is installed, the work continues. Around the clock, engineers and ocean specialists monitor the network to keep the world's digital lifelines operating reliably. Despite crossing some of the most remote environments on Earth, these networks are built with remarkable precision, redundancy, and decades of planned reliability. Every ordinary day begins with extraordinary connections, e-messages, research, emergency services, education, and conversations made possible by a network hidden beneath the sea. Just beneath the waves, an invisible journey begins, one that quietly links continents, economies, discoveries, and billions of lives every single day. Most people will never see these cables, yet they quietly carry an extraordinary share of the world's international communications beneath the oceans. From the deepest parts of the ocean to the busiest cities on Earth, this hidden infrastructure helps keep our connected world moving every hour of every day. The next time you send a message, watch a video, or speak with someone across an ocean, remember this: beneath the waves, a silent network of glass is helping make that moment possible. hidden from view, yet essential to our connected world. If you enjoyed diving into this documentary and found it as thought-provoking as we did, we'd genuinely love to hear from you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join the growing oceanic frontier community of ocean explorers. And until our very next adventure together, keep exploring the endless mysteries that lie just beyond the horizon.